How to download and install YouTube Kids app on mobile. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can download and install YouTube Kids app on your mobile device, whether it is Android or iPhone. Now, if you are on your Android device, you want to open Play Store. If you are on iOS, you want to open App Store. Then tap on the search bar. Here, you want to search for YouTube Kids. Out of the search results, this is the app you should be looking for. If you want to know more about this app, tap on About this app option and you have all the details required about this application. It also has the app info down below, which has information such as version, download size, required OS, app permissions, compatibility for active devices, and much more. If you want to know the reviews, simply head back and scroll down and you have the ratings and reviews section where you get the reviews from users. Now, if you want to download this application, tap on the install button. Once you do that, the download will begin. Now, depending on your internet speed and the file size, it will take some time for the application to be downloaded. Once it has been downloaded, it will be automatically installed on your device. All you have to do now is tap on the open option. Then sign into your account and start using the YouTube Kids application. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.